Tim Finnegan lived in Watling Street. The gentleman Irish way out. He had a robe on Regent Street. At the rise in the world, he carried a hat. Although Tim had a sort of a tippling way, when a lovely liquor Tim was born, and to help him on the way he trade, dropping the later every day. White one, next year on the sound of the lawyer's voice. I told you that's a fun thing. One morning Tim was rather full. His head felt heavy and it made him shake. He fell off the ladder and he broke his skull, and they carried him home, his corpse to wake. Well, they wrapped him up in a nice clean sheet, and they laid him out upon the bed, with a barrel of border on his head, and a gallon of whiskey at his face. White one, next year on the sound of the lawyer's voice. I told him that's a fun thing. His friends assembled for the wake, and Mrs. Finnegan called for the lunch. First they brought in chain cakes, and then plates, tobacco, and whiskey punch. And then Biddy O'Brien, she began to cry. Such a lovely corpse did you ever see? And Jim of morning, why did you die? How your whistles, Billy McGay? Wait, next year on the sound of the lawyer's voice. I told him that's a fun thing. Then Peggy O'Connor took up the job. Biddy said she, you're right, I'm sure. And then Biddy hit her up into the gap and sent her sprawling all over the floor. Each silent word they did engage was woman to woman and man to man. She'll lady love with all the rain and roll the ruction will begin. Wait for the land, gets you on around the lawyer's voice. I told him that's a fun thing way. Then Mickey Maloney jumped his head when a bottle of whiskey flew at him. It missed him falling on the bed, and the whiskey scattered all over Tim. I'll be daddy alive, see how he rises. Tim Finnegan rising up from the bed. How was your old one?